Hi, I'm Dr. Cecilia Minano. I'm a gastroenterologist with over 16 years of clinical experience. During COVID, I experienced severe burnout, which led me down the path of life coaching. It was so transformational for me that I then became certified as a life coach, and I've done additional trainings in trauma-informed care, pain reprocessing therapy, somatic or body-based work, hypnosis, and neurolinguistic programming. My interests include helping clients understand the role of their nervous system, how chronic stress and trauma negatively impact their gut and lead to a lot of the chronic symptoms they experience, and how to harness the power of that mind-gut connection to help them on their own healing journey. I focus on 6 pillars of wellness, which includes mindset, stress management, sleep, nutrition, movement, and detoxification. Thank you.